This week on Main Streets and Back Roads, we're at Anakeesta in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
I am absolutely terrified of heights, and this is how you get. Whew, can't even talk. This is how you get to the top.
Y'all get ready. Let's have a treat. Right that bar.
Yeah, get the bar down quick. All right, first time using the headset, Will. What do you think?
Stop! No!
I'm not good.
I'm sorry, I'm supposed to.
Jen?
Yeah? You good, Todd?
No, I'm not.
Sorry. Todd, look straight ahead, don't look down. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Todd, I'm scared. Todd, I'm really scared. Todd, I don't want to do this. Todd, I'm scared. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please, for the love of God, do not touch me. I'm gonna throw up. We should have gotten him one of those. Can you stop moving?
Yeah, stop moving and talking, Will. A breeze would be really nice.
No, it would not.
A light breeze.
No.
I didn't say to blow us around.
No breeze would be nice. Shut up, Mom. Sorry, Mom.
Just hold still. There's the trolleys.
Oh, Lord.
I'm probably going to need a minute when we get to the top.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. Mom, I hate you. This is terrifying. I hate this very much. Oh, I'm about to have a seizure.
Will?
Well, you don't even know what a seizure is.
Y'all, you don't understand what the Lord has a death grip on my hand like it's hurting. Okay, thanks. Whoa. Whoa. Come on, do one of me.
Just remember, just remember I loved you.
Ew, don't say that, Todd.
Will, hold
No.
hold the bar, please, and just hold still.
So let's figure out where we're going.
Down.
No.
Hopefully to heaven.
Lumina. That's where we're going tonight.
If we make it.
We will make
Okay,
it.
let's just stop talking and maybe just look up. Or actually, no, maybe just stop talking. I'll shut up.
You good?
Yeah, please don't.
Can y'all stop moving?
A little sweat. Love you, dude.
I think he's scared than I am.
I promise you, nobody's more scared than I am.
You about all the way back?
Don't move.
Stop moving your leg. Will.
Where are we going to eat tonight?
Yeah, where do you want to
Oh, I thought you were pointing to something on the
go? Yeah, so we're going to Astra Lumina.
dashboard here.
I want to live.
We're going to move.
Ooh.
We're actually not even that high up.
That's high up. You can go there. Or there, it really doesn't matter.
Okay, we're barely moving again.
Where do you want to go?
There's the safe bus that we could have been on.
Yeah. Can we take it back down?
I
Yeah.
promise you we will.
Because I'd rather be on there than up there.
No, we're stopping again.
It was not as high up last time.
No.
True that.
Oh.
Maybe if we keep going faster, it would be okay.
Yeah.
Instead of stopping. Oh, no, okay.
Oh, I don't like faster.
I like faster.
I like faster too.
Faster we go, faster we get up. I promise I don't think we're gonna fall. There's a lot.
If anyone's following,
There's a lot.
it's you.
There's a lot more heavier people on
That's rude.
Will?
this. You know, I mean, we're not gonna.
If we have to sacrifice any weight, I'm throwing Will off.
No.
No, I'll jump between you.
Oh my god, shut up. You're so corny.
Wait, I don't even know why we got these little shit.
Oh, great.
We're shaking anyway. At least if we fall right here, we'll definitely die because we'll get hit by a car.
I was like,
Oh, I don't like that. Why are we going higher? Are we almost there? It doesn't look like we're almost there.
You got about like. Hello, family. I really wish we were on that bus right now. Why are you crying?
Can you shut the hell up? I told you I didn't want to do this, Jennifer.
There's the safe bus again. And again. And again.
The safe bus we should have taken.
Okay, I'm a little more relaxed now. How about you, Eddie?
No, because we're about to go up.
Yeah.
That's okay. Is this a possibility that we can actually do that?
we're fine.
There's always a possibility.
Does the GoPro look like it's pointing out straight, Eddie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about we not
Who
How
cares?
about we not worry about filming and worry about our lives?
Well, they'll need evidence, dude.
Dude, shut up.
Yeah, seriously. And they're shaking.
We'd be the ones to fall just because Todd's filming it.
Yep.
Todd, please.
And I was filming going to Cherokee, too.
Here, we get to put our
What if
feet
we'd
up,
hit an
guys.
elk?
Put your feet up, guys.
I'm dragging mine. Slow us all down. Why
Todd.
do they have a net right there? That's kind of scary.
In case we fall, you know, just in case.
That looks interesting.
We're
Little
going up
shift.
further. We're going up further. We're going up further. Oh, why is it
This is
moving so
great.
much? Why is it moving
This
so much?
is just great.
Todd, I'm so scared right now.
Well, I saw the girls in front of us were still shaking,
Yeah.
like swinging. I'm like, why are they swinging? Okay, now I know. We didn't swing as much as them.
Well, you can't really tell if you're swinging.
It's like I love
Because you're the one sitting.
You know what I mean?
What?
That I'm sweating bricks over here.
Alright.
I can't. If I hear a sound, I'm gonna come up to it.
Yeah, why is he sweating so much? I mean, yeah, I'm scared, but Jesus. He's dripping. I'm a lot less scared right now, I'm not gonna lie.
Me too.
I think we're swinging less because we're more balanced than them.
Yeah. I feel like if I fell right now, I'd still survive. Probably
Shut up,
wrong,
Addison.
but I don't really care.
You would probably be hurting so bad that you wish you hadn't have survived, to be honest.
Thanks for telling me that, Todd. That
Yeah,
really
really,
is
Todd,
easing.
Did you ever go to a ghost town?
No, I never did because GA wouldn't take us.
And if you did, would this be basically, would
Yes,
it,
this
would,
would be very similar to what Ghost Town
It was closer to what Tweetsie Railroad was.
was. Yeah.
A lot less scary.
instead of going on a ski lift up a mountain?
From what I remember, it was a lot steeper than this is, a lot quicker. In other words, like this is like this. It was like this, but it was a lot shorter.
I'm sure my thinking is right. If it does,
If it does, I'm allowed.
So do you want to talk about fire trucks? I'm just trying to start a conversation to get my mind off of this.
Why would you choose fire trucks?
Can you imagine having to cut the grass up here?
See the stairs up there?
Yeah.
That's how you walk back down.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. I'd rather take the ski lift back down. And we're stopped.
Same.
What do you think?
Said same.
What did they say?
No, the baby's crying.
Why don't they have music the whole way?
Wow, this is so nice. Oh,
It's great.
raining. Oh, it's raining.
Mama? Yeah. Does that mean we're gonna stop? Will it interfere with it?
No.
Last thing Will asked is if it was going to stop and interfere with us.
Oh, it turned into hard behind.
Within 4 seconds, we stopped.
Oh my god, the wind.
Oh, look behind us. So, Addie, is this part of your worst nightmare? Will? Jen, how much was this experience to get wet on a sky lift that stopped?
This is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah, I can guarantee you this will never happen again for me. Patty, how about you? Never again?
No. We are still moving very slowly. Y'all said y'all wanted to do something. Here we are.
I hate you. If we fall, that's the last thing I want to hear.
Look at how pretty it is there.
It's not pretty.
Beautiful. It's alright, bud. It's alright.
We're gonna be fine. This happens all the time. It just doesn't happen to us. It does happen all the time. Now we're in that small category of people.
I don't want to be in a small category of people. Okay,
We're moving.
chill.
We're moving.
How much rain's on top of my GoPro? The video, the screen.
None.
Sweet.
That's not
I got-
something you should be proud of. I'm so scared. No, you're an evil human being.
Will, Will, stop, dude. Will, you gotta stop, man. Will. All right, here we go, Will. We're almost there.
It's okay, bye-bye.
I made it better that Will cried.
You know what? I think I'd much rather have rain on my like legs and be really complete than
We're almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there.
I'm gonna need a minute when I get there.
Alright. We gotta get off the platform and then we'll
We're
take a moment,
halfway
okay?
there. Whoa, living on a prayer.
It's alright, but don't put your fingers in your nose or your eyes right now.
Why are there so lone people onto it? Isn't that like a
We gotta get
safety
down.
hazard?
You gotta get down unless it's lightning. Ooh, somebody's hat.
We'll see.
Yeah.
There's other things to do, okay?
My aunt dropped her flip-flops on the one that's in downtown. Oh, great.
Ooh, Lord. Oh my God.
Somebody heavy must have got off. Or on.
Our whole family. That's what's gonna happen whenever we all get off.
Whoa.
Oh.
Okay, I went line, I guess.
Oh, this is different.
All your fault. I'm not kidding.
I needed a shower anyway, it's fine.
Same, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're taking pictures up here. That's great.
I don't want a picture. Can we tell them that we don't want a picture?
Yeah, we don't have to buy it. Jim, we're agreeing no pictures.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no pictures.
Because
Because this is evil.
Well, that and also it's because if they took a picture of me bawling my eyes out, it'd be
I want that picture.
All right, look.
This is not funny.
Look. No, don't Will.
No.
The camera and get ready to smile.
I don't want to smile.
It's gone. It's done. It's done.
I'll take that picture. I hid my face. Oh, it's cold.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really cold. Oh. Oh.
All right, get ready to raise the bar up.
Oh. No,
Yeah.
not yet.
You got to.
Not yet. Okay, now. It says prepare.
Okay.
Prepare.
Don't come near the edge.
All right, you gotta come toward me, okay, Eddie? We'll go that way, okay? No, go straight. Go straight. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Stop saying that!
I mean, fall slipping. Go, 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 go.
I straightened my hair for no reason.
Come over here out of the rain.
Jim, what'd you think?
This was the worst amusement park I've ever been to. We haven't even been to the amusement park.